Hi everyone, today I host open house. So my life about real estate in United States and New Jersey in English. I start from this beautiful house. It's for sale. Today, as I said, I host open house here. Look around. Beautiful neighborhood, silence, green area in ninth corner of Chatham, and I go indoor. It's maybe 9th degrees, 90, and I show you this house while first guests are coming. And of course I practice my English without any teachers today. This beautiful deck, barbecue, the outdoor area, it's backyard. Trees. So I stop talking since you can see by yourself, I hope, and I go into the house to show you indoor how it looks indoor. Entrance. It's beautiful weather indoor, this house. So hard floor. I put a link to my webpage where you can find all details about this house. I will show you how it looks. It's like you visit me on my open house and show the house, look at the house. Enjoy. Next time I switch on music, but today's live will be hosting today's movie without any music. Nice kitchen, bay window. You can enjoy morning breakfast, morning coffee here. Look at the green area. Modern appliances. If you have any questions, you can text or call me anytime during this live too, of course. If you have a question about this house or about real estate, don't hesitate to ask me. So nice bay window and dining room for family dinners, as example, of course. It's my handyman, and look at second floor. It's one bedroom, second bedroom. Oh. third bedroom or like an office. Master bedroom. His walk-in closet and renovated bathroom. So I think it's all main points of this house. Nice neighborhood, high-ranking Chatham schools. Silent green area, 5 minutes by car to train to New York or to the school or to the shopping, for the shopping. Short hill malls, 10 minutes drive from here. And I host my open house here at 69 Hampton Rd in Chatham till 3 p.m. If you are interested, welcome and look at this by yourself. Have a nice day. I'm here. And I stopped talking and showing. I have something to do with my stuff. So see you. Have a nice weekend. Have a nice Sunday evening. And if I find something interesting else, I show you today till 3 p.m. why I'm here. Bye. Oh, so guys, I forgot to show you a basement. It's unfinished basement, so it's a piece of creativity who can make it in that way that you want. Big basement and all many stuff. It's heart of the house, and you can see you can finish it and you will get space, a place for many different things. I go up. Oh, somebody coming, sorry. I have to stop.